if you're in this category, you are battling with dark spot, body spots, hyperpigmentation, even tone on your skin, on your body, guys, this combo I'm going to be talking about on this video, just go and grab it. Go and grab it. On within 7 days or 7 to 10 days of using this combo, I will tell you in this video, trust me, you will see tremendous results. Like, you will literally see your skin getting, you will, in fact, you will see the result by yourself, and you know that really this combo is working. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if I'm my old and returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate your support. If you're just tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Vivian. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you a very good combo, a very simple combo that you can use to clear up your dark inner tires, your dark spots, your your black spots, dark spots on your skin. Okay, this combo really works, guys. Trust me, this combo really, you guys know that I keep it real. Okay, so guys, yeah, before we go into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, support your baby girl, subscribe, and also turn your post notification bell so that you get notified each time we drop any video on this channel. Yes guys, so because on this channel we talk about product review, we do a lot of good skincare reviews, and also DIYs, and also I share recipes on this channel, so you wouldn't want to miss out, right? So join the family by subscribing, like, also turn your push notification bell to be updated each time we upload any video on this channel. So without further ado, let's just go into the video. Okay, the combo you are going to use for your dark spots, Fair and White So White Skin Perfector Gel. Please, if you are buying, buy your original one. You get this product here. You will get this Fair and White So White Skin Perfector. This is the gel. This is the Skin Perfector Gel. Okay, yeah, it is a 30 gram tube. You will get this tube right here. Then you will get this soap right here, this Alada soap. Okay, this I'm going to insert the picture. I didn't come with it, so I'm going to insert the picture on the screen for you guys. It's a very simple combo, but guys, it works perfectly. Yes, you get this soap here, this Alada soap. Try and buy original one, that Alada soap together with this one. Then you get this scrub you're seeing on the screen now. The scrub you're seeing on the screen, this is Cool Spa Turmeric Scrub. Okay, Cool Spa Turmeric Scrub. You get that scrub. That particular place you're having this dark spots, hyperpigmentation, you're having black spots, is it your inner thighs, is it your elbow? You will get your Cool Spa or the turmeric one, Cool Spa Turmeric. Okay, I'll insert the picture on the screen here. Then you get it. Then you get the Alada soap. I will also insert the picture somewhere around this video. You get the soap, that Alada soap. Get your Cool Spa scrub. Then get glycolic acid, 70% glycolic acid. Yes, 70% glycolic acid. Then get that Cool Spa. If it's possible, you can get a plate and pour out your Cool Spa scrub there. Okay. Then put your glycolic acid, like mix it together. For that Cool Spa scrub, you can add 50 ml of your glycolic acid together with that Cool Spa scrub. Do you understand? 50 ml of your glycolic acid, yes, together with that Cool Spa scrub. Add 2 tablespoons of your rice powder in that mixture. 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of your rice powder in that mixture with 50 ml of your glycolic acid. Mix them together, then bottle it back. Okay, bottle it back. This combo I told you now, rice powder, that Cool Spa scrub, and then glycolic acid. If you're able to get 70% glycolic acid, use it. Add 50 ml into the whole of this bottle of Cool Spa, but you must pour out this Cool Spa in a plate and mix them together. When you mix them together, then you bottle it back in the Cool Spa and in the bottle. Okay, then you get this Fair and White So White Skin Perfector Gel, not the cream, the gel. The gel is what we are using for this combo. Okay, for this combo is this gel we are using. Please get the original one. Okay, so you get this gel. First of all, use that scrub that you have already mixed, massage, use it and scrub. If it's your able, use it and massage it very very well. Get a hand sponge glove. Yes, those hand glove sponge, get it, use it and massage. If it's your inner thigh, use it and scrub that place very well. Exfoliate that place properly. Once you are done exfoliating, you can then you like, you want to take your bath, you first of all exfoliate that area. Once you are done exfoliating, then you wash it off. Okay, then you get this soap here, this lather soap that is on this cream. You get that soap, then rub it on that. If it's your inner thighs, like massage it like this. Make sure that you massage it, make a foam out of the soap, massage it on there. If it's in your hand, if it's your thighs, if it's your nails, your elbows, massage it like this. After using your scrub, don't forget, then massage the soap. After massaging it, allow it to stay 2 to 3 minutes there, then you wash it off. Do you understand? Then when you come out from the bathroom, you get this gel, then apply it only on that area you are having that spot. Only on that area you're having that spot, guys. This combo works like magic. It might be simple, yeah, the recipe might be simple, but it works. So once you are done taking your bath with the soap, like apply it on that affected area. Even the scrub and that affected area, you can equally use the scrub all over your body, but focus on that affected area. Do you understand me? Yes. Then use the soap, massage the soap on your skin, on the place you're having that spot. Yes, that lather soap works. That lather soap you're seeing there, it works for spots. It works. Then if you're not able to lay your hand on this particular lather soap, you can get original Kojic sand soap. I'm going to start the picture as well on this video. Get it. If you're not able to get the lather soap, but lather soap is preferable because that is the one I used for a client, and guys, the results was wow. So if you're able to get the lather soap, get it. If you're not able to get the lather soap, get the original Kojic sand soap and use it for this combo. Then for that scrub, if you have a sensitive skin, add honey, incorporate honey to that scrub. Do you understand me? Add honey, add a little bit of honey. You can add a teaspoon of, or like a tablespoon, if you have sensitive skin, tablespoon of honey inside that scrub. Mix it together, then use it. If you don't have a sensitive skin, you can equally add honey, or you can add maybe half teaspoon of honey inside that recipe. Do you understand me? Then mix it together and use that scrub. Then you will definitely love it. Seriously, you will definitely love it. Yeah, and if it's not going to be runny because of the rice powder, it's going to help to solidify it a little bit. Do you understand? So use the powder, exfoliate that area. This combo here works so well. Like, guys, after you are done bathing, scrubbing and all the rest, when you come out from your bathroom, you pat dry it, then apply this thing here directly on the affected area. Directly. This thing works for sports. You guys don't know, right? It really works for sports. I'm telling you now on this video, this really works. So buy your original. Make sure you are buying original one. Look at it here. This is the Skin Perfector Fair and White So White Skin Perfector gel. Not the cream, the gel is what I prefer or I recommend for this combo. Get it? Just be applying it only on that affected area. Use this from 7 days of using this combo. You will see amazing results. I'm not even kidding. Yes, you will see amazing results from your spots. It works for body spots, dark spot, inner thighs. Use this combo, you're gonna love it. Once you are done applying this, allow it to sink into your skin before you start wearing your clothes. Depending on where you have your spots, use this continuously for at least 2 to 3 weeks. But once your spots have cleared, discontinue using this on your skin directly, please. It's just for the treatment. Discontinue it once you have achieved your result. You can continue with the scrubbing maybe 2 times in a week. Yeah, it's okay. But this one, you can also continue with the soap, or the soap you can use it 3 times in a week. But this one, discontinue using it from your skin directly, please. Okay, yeah. So this is it. This combo works. This combo was like, seriously, this is amazing recipe that you can use to clear your dark spots, your body spots, your inner thighs, trust me, you will definitely love it. And don't forget to come back to my comment section to give me my review, because definitely you're going to see amazing changes and results using this combo I dropped on this, or this recipe I dropped on this video. Okay, so it might look simple, but it does work. And don't forget to come back with my review on my comment section to tell me how it works for you. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like and share this video. Also turn your post notification bell on so that I get notified when we upload any other video on this channel. All right guys, see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.